Aizawl Smart City Limited MZP Inter High School quiz sang hi somni pathum azan thum na first round zan top ber kan lo thleng ta der maya mi chwai thleng tu pathian chunga lom thu kan soya helai muna ignite studio ron kalte tin in lama changa tv mi lo thir tu tele explore Mizoram YouTube channel changa mi lo thir tu zong song te chibai ka buk chewa quiz master cs sang te kini a kalo lom chewa zanina hianin abula changa atop thlenga hunin man pui turin kan som le ngal chewani Zandanga kaning ti siak na teh milo en chin chuanin kan sia anga first round kalpui ani azanin hi first round top zanani a tuna ka soi angkhanin school pathum te anunin tum vele dona zanin a hian match khat sia kan en donani chung school pathum ranin tum tur te chu government Seltlang High School New Hope English Medium School le Royal Standard School te ani azanin a hianin match mu nom tak kan en le theitura kanin base ani Aizawl Smart City Limited MZP Inter High School quiz sang hi som hi pathuma kan main sponsor hi Aizawl Smart City Limited ani a kan co-sponsors te Guris Collection Folkland Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram PMJVK Mizoram State Sports Council ST Mart Brahmhun North Mana Motors Bongkon Zomi Agencies Bongkon Directorate of Fisheries Government of Mizoram Disaster Management and Rehabilitation Department Government of Mizoram le Kuki Jar Chan Mari ti an ni a min sponsor tu te zong zong chunga thinlung takin lom thu kan soi ani tuna in elna kan nei mek hi in lama changlo thlir tu ten eng topic manging nge kanin LT te po kha zo na om the ani a tuna kanin elna hi MBSC class 10 syllabus le general knowledge a hianin Mizo General Knowledge 13th edition 2023 revised and enlarged ani chumi mangsuanin in elna kan nei ani a kan soi chin to angin abik takin HSLC exam machon tur de tan phei chuanin in lama kan lo thlir ani chuan uluk takin lo thlirila I heta chang hianin kan inti siak na chang hian hlok na kan chan ngai kan be seya tin kum tanga te po he inti siak na lo machon ten HSLC result om takan lo nei to China top 10 a hial te in hlang kai te kan lo nei to China ni chu kan lom na le kan in swan na ani ti kha kan han soi lang le du ani zanina hian in ma moi taka karon in lan theina turata na ka thopui te kan soi le anga hair color moi taka minti saktu hi Miss Parte I Creations Academy nei tu nu ani ati chuanin ka hair and makeup minti saktu hi makeup by Ratfella ani ati chuanin ka kor hak moi tak mai min tum saktu hi Jen Sang te I ani a ka puan bi moi tak mai hi alang lo na a puan moi tak mai ka bi a hi home of Mizo puan te na min tum sakani ati chuanin ka putin moi tak mai min sei saktu hi Abine studio te ani a ka thopui te in survive sunga lom thu ka soi tak meu ani he inti siang na school tel hi an zawain som pathum ani Aizawl khachunga changin school som panhile Aizawl khapona changin school khatte ani a kan han soi lang le vele shimshimange CLS Academy, Marvin Colosseum Secondary School, Kids Care School, Government Mizo High School, Helen Lowry Higher Secondary School, Tiny Tots Higher Secondary School, Living Water School, St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Providence Higher Secondary School, St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Government Seltlang High School le New Hope English Medium School le Royal Standard School te ani a anin wa sei na achalom ema helai huna rontel tur hian in zir line pang anon tir chwaten an thei to ban swati alang ringa kan in el na te amunom china chuwangin school rontel zong zong te anti cha kan te alom thu kan soya tin helai huna te po zir tir tu le school no pang te le tin participants chung te anu le pa emo an chung te nanon jor om china kan lom ani ti kha kan han soi lang le du bok ani kan ram thar chwa sangha ngai lut na chang sia thiram le nam hum hal na ani chang thar ti tan che na tlak ram inut sia theinan siam du min pek kan luidung nung cha te hum hal ro luidung nung cha te tu re mo bom le thil chi sang sang manga swa sam chin tu te hi ram le nam hel ma ani Sarkar chuani som October changan ni som paria December sang ni som ni pathum chung hi luya nung cha te eng man ro mang po a man phal lo hun closed season ata na puanga kan ram luya nung cha te an lowin thla pun theinan mitin he thu pek hi zom cheu turin kanin nge ne Directorate of Fisheries Government of Mizoram Kuris Collection and Kuris Mall hi Folklena Omatin Kuris Collection hian branch sang hi electric vieng bung kon school pui kon din thar kon Ramhnun vieng lai Ramhnun South Kolasip le ser chi pate an nei bok ani Kuris Mall Folkland hi jingdar kwale achan ve achanga zandar kwale achan ve thleng tho chan ni achanga inrin ni thleng dor thei ani nam nu fual te tan scheme chale du om PMJVK มีเทเลชุมเชียอินเขาเวลเองอันหมุดเทนตัวตานรัวมันอันนี้เฮสกิมน้อยเฮียนจีนตีมาโซนนตัวเตอินฟิามนั่นแหละชิเซลนักงะมาโซนเทนตัวเตรัวมันน่าเสียมอันนี้ MZP Inter High School Quiz ฮีสังฮีสมฮีปทุมกุมินฮีไว้ขัดกันในนะอันนี้ละว่าสังฮีสมมาจังคานกุมตินในตัวชินอันนี้ที่ข้ากันหันสวยลังเลเวเลดูชิมอันนี้จะดีนะเฮียนินสกูลปทุมเต็น first round จันนุ่งเบอร์อินเอลนะรุนมาชนเวเลโดนาที่จวนินสกูลรอนเตลตัวเตะจังอินอันมิงอันสกูลมิงเล่อัน table number เล่ participants เตะกับสวากังะเฮลัยมุนอันเราสวาลายเฮียนวิ่งตะกุดเบียงอินอีกในสตูดิโอรอนกัลเต็นกันเราจอยอมโดนยา table number 1อ่ะเฮียน Royal Standard School จังอิน Brenda เล่ชัวลิเล่วานเล่เปกลุยเตะกุดเบียงอินเราล้อมังtable number 2 อ่ะเฮียน Government Saltlang High School จังอินเรียมลัลยานาเล่วานเล่เปกลุยเตะกุดเบียงอินเราล้อมังtable number 3 อ่ะเฮียน New Hope English Medium School จังอิน Age โซทันสังเล่อาร์ลัลวัดกิมาเตะกุดเบียงอินเราล้อมังกัน participants เตะกันเราล้อมเชื่อว่าจะนี่นะเฮลัยมุนะ first round นะอินที่เสียกนะอินมาชนโดนนี่เทตบสวาอุละอีกระตุ่มปุยเตะกันเงียยังตีรู้ขับปูอุละชัดตะกันติตัวรินเละจามเราตัวรินดูสักนักหลานเชื่อว่าเราดิ้งโซลเดียวลูกอุละจะติดส่งจวนินกันอินที่เสียกนักพงฮีอีอะไรเชเวเราเตะอนมตากินกันสวยงาschool run tel hi som pathuman ni a kan soitak ang khanin ti chuanin group nga a chinani a changa a chinani a group a hian school pathumanin tum to a group b a school pathum ti chuanin group c a hianin school ni le group d a school ni ni zana ma tenin tuma ti chuan sanin a hian group e mi school pathum te anin tum le dona heta group tina winner hi semi-final round an pal tlang hala ti chuanin I heta an zafai changa best loser hi semi-final round na an lut ve don bukani chuchunak zana hian an in eldona chuta lut tele in el tur te chuna kina chiang de zoking kan la soyanga ti chuanin zir top zana hian in final match mu nom tak nei thei turin pathian zara kan in ra mana min lo en chin te mu no min lo ti thu te kan lo shia kan lom em helai huna ignite studio min joy om thei lo te po tv lama le youtube channel lama chang kha min lo joy om zel turin kan han som ne cheu ani kan participants zanina ron kal te am saing kan zamem yes or no okay that's very good an zam ya lawani zam lau kha apoi mo a ti chuanin kanin ti siak na lampang te kan hoi chan to do na zam lau na chade umai kan nei khazan dangai lo enem ka shilo kan apply china zanina hang kan apply le do na chu han nui se kha ya han nui se teule nui se kha zam na ti bo na ani ti chuanin in ming te in school ming te in table number te ka soi to a but let us hear self introduction from your school. First let us invite Royal Standard School to have their self introduction.
My name is Vanel Peklui. I'm currently studying class 10.
My name is Brendala Chazwali. I'm currently studying class 10 and we're both representing Royal Standard School.
Good bengang. Okay. Government Saltlang High School, let us hear an introduction from you.
My name is Rimla Liana from Government Saltlang High School.
My name is Vanel Peklui, class 10, representing Government Saltlang High School.
Okay, if the mic is too high, you may lower it, okay? Feel free to do that. Okay, let us invite New Hope English Medium School to have their self-introduction.
My name is Salar Rodkima from New Hope English Medium School.
And my name is Shotan Sanga, representing New Hope English Medium School.
Good bang zelang. nakita zona ka zo huna khan chiang taka ring taka soiturin ikan nian sewatin in mai ka khan in bakun nyam sham sham mula helama changa chiang taka kalosha theina tur khan kan tianga ti chuanin helai hmuna ron kalmi puite kan han ngen be du chu helai hmuna kan participants te zam chung chung te na ron dinga amiro chan zam na chu kan ti bo to a ti chuanin helai hmuna I aron dina zo na ti kan han zo ta an chan di khanin ring taking kut kan benga mani school tan big chawa beng lau khanin ati di ka pyang tan khanin ring taking kut kan beng chinanga tin zo na ti kan han zo khanin chan na ti kha kan sha zong takle kan chan chak zong tak ti po kha lo ni mei theya a mai ro chu I phun chunga lo chan te emo lawin signala I option A1 A B ti ang vel lawin shil ang te kha ti lo sham sham ma kan ti anga zani na hianin thei to pin kan participants te chak taka hwai sen taka helai mun na an din theina tur hian kan zawain I kan chan tlang kha poi mo ni ti ha kan soile du ani first round a hianin optional round number 1 ani anga number 2 optional round in chunzo manga question and answer round 3 chunzo manga round 4 question and answer round 3 in chunzo manga ti chuanin buzzer round hi round 5 kan nei anga buzzer round in khel dan tur hi chu nakina chiang deu zoking kan la soile donya ti chuanin 6 hian optional round in chunzom le anga a top pera hianin round 7 hian optional round kan nile donani ti chuanin kan sian karinga first round vek alani awangin kan khel dan khazan tangai lo en chinani chuanin in sian karinga okay now let's move on to the competition are you ready everyone
Yes, please.
okay Royal Standard School table 1 te an zona kan zo chan hal do nga an wing to boka Brenda lal chazwali le van lal pek luite ania are you girls ready
Yes, Miss.
okay round 1 is optional round. After the paper plague struck the world, what became humankind's greatest intellectual treasures? Option A, radio. Option B, microfilms. Option C, televisions. Option D, blackboards. In screen akang zona ron lang em.
No, Miss.
Oh, ngak lo kang oh. Kay po ka screen aron lang lawa. Tikana ron lang siya kan siya chale anga chumi ma chuanin reminder kan hanin set le anga zanda nga po in long mo to thau karinga optional round akang 50-50 chance sa man theya at chan na options kan chiang lawani chuan ti chuanin options panhi kha alo bawanga options panhi danga chang khan chan na in nei thei don ani ti chuanin zo na chan na turatan khanin second som jelin neya 50-50 chance in maniro chuanin in point na khan point som ni lavin point nga in mutung don ani chuan chiangin ka sia okay optional round Royal Standard School te hanzona masaber ka zotang after the paper plague struck the world what became humankind's greatest intellectual treasures option A radio option B microfilms option C television option D blackboards and your time starts now
Option A, radio.
Option A, radio. Tinanchang, are you confident? Is that your final answer?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Option A, radio. Tinanchanga, chanadik anile anilo kanlo enang. Computer, please log option A, radio. Chanadik anilo. Log maya chanadik chu. Option B, microfilms ti ani engpo ni sala zona pakhat na chawla ni optional round khat na chawla ni anakina zona dang kha in la nei cheu dona ni lungai lo tur on moving on to table number 2 we have Government Tlang High School are you ready
Yes, Miss.
here is your first question to optional round what was written on silver casket option A who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves option B who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. Option C, who chooseth me shall get what many men desires. Option D, who chooseth me shall gain as much as he deserves. And your time starts now.
Option B, who chooses me shall gain what many men desire.
Option B, who chooses me shall gain what many men desire. Tinanchanga, are you confident? Is that your final answer? Oh, your time is up as well. Okay, let us find out if that is the correct answer or not. Computer, please log option B. Chanadik anilaw lau maya. Chanadik to option A. Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. Ti ani mi pui lam tan kut ben na hun kan la nei lo tat me next table kan zot ve lenga kut min ben tir thei to sham kan be se tro New Hope English Medium School te kan zot ve le thung don ani H zo than sang en arla rat kima. Are you ready, boys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Here is your first question to optional round. How would you define Adela? Option A, funny, noisy, forgiving. Option B, rude, thoughtful, unconcerned. Option C, unforgiving, funny, calm. Option D, rude, sarcastic, noisy. And your time starts now.
Option D, rude, sarcastic, and noisy.
Okay. Are you confident?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Unconfident may yes for nga katiang turkani tiro. Okay, let us find out if option D is the correct answer or not. Computer, please log option D. Rude, sarcastic, noisy. That is the correct answer. Round 1 sukan zauta round 2 kan kaleng haloni. Again, we have optional round. Tu nakasui ang kan at san nakakan lo chiang lo ni po in 50-50 chance ka man she lo tur ni ta kanin options pat ni kan labaw nga atang pati achang kanin at san thei mai do na ni Royal Standard School, are you ready, girls?
Yes,
Brenda
miss.
and Valpek Louis. Okay. Optional round na in zo na chu hei hi ani marcha a ngam hi eng verb nge. Option A, transitive verb. Option B, intransitive verb. Option C, double verb. Option D, auxiliary verb. In hun, ain chane.
Option D, auxiliary verb.
Option D, auxiliary verb. Tinan changa. In chana kain chiang chem. Option A po khalaw ni mai thesin. An chiang ani mela option D chu chana di kanile ni law enang computer please log option D, auxiliary verb. Chana di kani. Moving on to table number 2, we have Government Saltlang High School represented by Remnal Lian and Vanal Pek Lui. Oh, ming in ang inlaw o mani mo tiro. Ale round 2 in zona to hei ani ka bia besu bia be hi eng verb nge. Option A, auxiliary verb. Option B, double verb. Option C, transitive verb. Option D, intransitive verb. In hun na in chane.
Option A, auxiliary verb.
Option A, auxiliary verb. Tin pek lui na changa. Chiangem. Time is up. Let us find out if that is the correct answer or not. Option A, auxiliary verb. Computer, please log option A. Chana di ka nilaw hlaw maya at chana dik chu option B, double verb ka. Ani, round danga latama, round danga te. Chan dik na hun ka laom doon ani. Okay, moving on to table number 2, we have New Hope English Medium School. Are you ready, boys, for your next question?
Yes, Miss.
Optional round na in zona to hei hi ani ball kan pet hi eng verb nge. Option A, double verb. Option B, auxiliary verb. Option C, transitive verb. Option D, intransitive verb. In hun ain chane.
C, transitive verb.
C, transitive verb. Tinaron changa. Are you confident, boys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, confident hey boka tiro. Option C, transitive verb. Ti hi chana dikani emilo in ang computer, please log option C, transitive verb. That is the correct answer. Round 2 to kan lau zo le ta atuna at swarin round 3 kan kal le ngalanga question and answer round ani question and answer round na hit swarin optional round ang khanin options in nei to don lo thunga question and answer round ani angin zo na ka zo chenga achan na kha min pe don ani 10 seconds chungin zo na kha achan na in nei turani tin 10 seconds chung khan in chan na kha in du le in thak kwal theya ma se within 10 seconds you should have your one final answer. Okay, asyang in kasya question and answer round hi table 1 at chang zeling kan chan le anga Royal Standard School Brenda Chezwali le Vanal Pek Lui. Are you ready, girls?
Yes, miss.
Who was the first education minister of India? And your time starts now.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Sardar Vallabhai Patel Tinansanga. Let us find out if
I
that
want
is
to change.
Okay, you still have time.
Abdul Kalam Azad.
Abdul Kalam Azad. Okay. Time khala up lawa. Let us find out if that is the correct answer or not. Abdul Kalam Azad. That is the correct answer. Oh, tiang kanin thak du chuan in soi mai tur. Oh, within 10 seconds a chuan thak kha thiang vekani. Okay, moving on to table number 2, we have Government Saltlang High School. Are you ready for your next question?
Yes, Miss.
Question and answer round na inzo na chu hi ani. Who was the first External Affairs Minister of India? Your time starts now. Kun tiam chunin an chang thei lova chan lo top aya po 100 te kha poi mi alo ne alo dik mial mai theya ti chuanin point te po kha in score thei na chance kha om thei don ani. Okay, let us find out the correct answer. Jawaharlal Nehru ti ani. Table 3 akan kal le ang New Hope English Medium School te H Zau Than Sang and Arla Ratkima. Are you ready, boys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, question and answer round na inzo na chu hi ani. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Your time starts now. Huna top don, chang don em. Hun tiam chuin an chang thei lawa. Enge inril ro om masa chanin du deu na khan soi ve shim shim teu.
Kan nei lo.
Ei nei la mo. Audience pass to kan share em among the students. Oh, Sukumar Senti in Mission helai na ron changa lau she dikani oh a chana dikai en ve shim shimang computer chang khan. Sukumar Senti ani. Miss Khan lo man kan pe donem hai la mo. Okay, question and answer round na. Round 4 akan lut vele nga langa tu na mi ang khan options in nei don lova direct answer kha min pek le mai kha ngai don ani. Royal Standard School table number 1 at changing kanchan li ang Brendal Chizwali and Panel Pek Louis. Are you ready, girls?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Question and answer round na inzo na chu hey hi ani. WTO officially began its career on. Your time starts now.
(1992).
1992. Is that your final answer?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Let us find out if that is the correct answer or not. January 1st, 1995. Ani sana di kanilaw lau mai. Moving on to table number 2, we have Government Saltlang High School, Remnal Liana and Vanel Pek Louis. Are you ready for your next question?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. What were penny chapbooks? Your time starts now.
Pocket-sized books.
Pocket-sized books. Ti in Remlal Liana ron changa. Are you confident? Do you want to change?
No, miss.
Okay. Pocket-sized books ti chu chana dikani ami law enang. Chana dikani. Moving on to table number 3, we have New Hope English Medium School. Are you ready for your next question, boys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, question and answer round. Inzo na dot. Let's hear ni. Who wrote the pamphlet Common Sense? Your time starts now.
Thomas Paine.
Thomas Paine. Are you confident?
Yes, Miss.
Do you want to change your answer?
No, Miss.
Okay, confident take up moya tiro. Thomas Paine ti chu chana dikani ami law enang. Computer, please look Thomas Paine. That's it. That's absolutely correct. Oh, kalau cool. Adika kalau cool tu ka pot su tiro. Ale, tu na chuanin buzzer round akan kalang. Round 5 ani. Buzzer round na hianin question paruk in nei dona. Question paruk hi rang tak taking karon chia ranga in screen na alang bokanga ti chuanin zona ka zo cheu khanin chana in shia ni chuanin batonin hetanga ti chuan in buzzer lo enganga in school ming kalam photang o in school ming kalam ma chuan zo na kha chan lo tur ni ti chuan in school ming kalam anga zo na in chan thei hun chung kha 5 seconds ani anga 5 seconds chunga zo na dik in nei lo chuanin school danga kan pass anga pass ti ka soi vele school dangin in metang ani lo chuanin ni nangma ni chan na adik chuan dik ka ti anga chuan dik lo ani chuanin dik lo ti in pass na hun kha kan nei don ani o in buzzer te chat lo kan enanga Royal Standard School han met teule acha Government Saltlang High School acha New Hope English Medium School acha ani o ti chuanin hei buzzer round hi round in chu ani awangin kan zawai kan chantlana kan chet rang po angai ni mo amai ro chu zo na kha ka chiar zo chi a shelem a chan na shelem lo lo me lo tur ni a midang tan chance kha kan ti kyam ve the ni question 5 fa hianin mathematics round on dona mathematics question ani dona ta khanin writing board oma kan lo ring ma se tun chuan ken alangai chuang lo ni oh are you ready everyone for your buzzer round?
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
What is the noun form of compel? New Hope English Medium School. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass. Royal Standard School. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass. Press Donem, Government Saltlang High School te chance in nei. An chang Taylovat school Batuminan Chan Taylor wangin audience akan pasang among the students. What is the noun form of compel? COMPEL. Students sa changpon o chang dukan lawan yange. Let us see the correct answer. Compulsion. Di ani. In we devem in lao she deu sia kalau chang lo ni o di khaom the chu wangin hwai taka chan kha acha ni points kha ui chu wangin hwai takin chang zelang o. Are you ready for your next questions, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Mizo chongin karan siar don ni mizo chongin ani azo na hi nge ti na top do na. Khong lung khwa kha in engzat nge. Royal Standard School. 5.
Sangkhwa.
Diglaw, pass. New Hope English Medium School. 5.
Zathum.
Oh, chana digani. Chu ti na top do na adot le mi hi. Bazira na in zona pathum na chu hei hi ani. Kum sang kha zakwa somli pariata Mizo Union Party in Kartina anti chwa chu. Government Saltlang High School. 5, 4, 3.
Mizo Chantin Lai Sui.
Diglaw, pass. New Hope English Medium School.
Mizo Le Fai Chanchin.
Diglaw, pass. Royal Standard School.
Christian Chantin.
Diglaw. At sana diglaw enang. Mi puya pass to law meng. Oh, Mizo RC. Di ani. A harde wani mai the. Ole ti chuanin zo na dang pathum alo ma inin su tur kha. Tu na chuanin claim in a 3 deuh hlek dona rang takin karon siarang. Oh, are you ready everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay. How much area of India is covered by plants in percentage? Government Saltlang High School.
23.
Diglaw, pass. New Hope English Medium School.
Miss, can you repeat the question?
How much area of India is covered by plains in percentage?
43%.
That is absolutely correct. In screen kain lo en bok doni o screen a kan zo na karon kala. Okay, get ready with your writing board. Mathematics question ani don. Are you ready, everyone? Ready? Allow me. On New Hope English Medium School Day, do we have any problem? Okay. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay. In an AP, given D is equal to 3, A12 is equal to 37, then A is equal to จกช่วงมาซาขานินบัตันคำเหตุไม่ Royal Standard School
4.
Diglaw Pass Government Saltlang High School
T.
Diglaw Pass. We are left with New Hope English Medium School only. New Hope English Medium School.
7.
That is absolutely correct. Tu nak kata confit siapa lau dia tu ro. Masih lau dia kan ni. Last question ani don buzzer round na. Writing board katsu dat lak thei tu ngai to lau ve. Are you ready, everyone? Okay. Atom bomb is based on the principle of New Hope English Medium School.
Nuclear fission.
That is absolutely correct. Moving on, we have round 6, that is optional round. Optional round akan kalvele ngal dona. Tuna hian mathematics round ani dona wangin. Please get ready with your writing board. Starting from Royal Standard School, we have Brendala Chazwali and Vanal Pek Louis, table number 1. Are you ready, girls?
Miss.
The sum of the roots of the equation x squared minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0 is option A, minus 6, option B, minus 2, option C, 6, option D, 12. And your time starts now.
Miss 50-50.
50-50 chance ang hangdo. Ani? You are left with option A and option C.
C6.
Option C, 6 in Ansanga. Is it your final answer? Your time is up. Okay, let us find out if option C, 6 is the correct answer or not. Computer, please log option C, 6. That is the correct answer. Okay, table 2 Government Saltlang High School ang kalveli ang Remnal Liana and Vanal Pek Louis tia kanin ringem. Optional round na in zone to hey ani. The 12th term from the end of an AP 4, 9, 14, dot 254 is option A, 59, option B, 199, option C, 309, option D, 209. And your time starts now.
$50-50.
50-50 chance ang hang doon ni. Okay, you are left with option B and option D. Who na top doon? Insang doon em?
D, option D.
Option D. You say D, right? Option D, 209. Tinansanga adikemilaw enang. Computer, please log option D, 209. Sana di ka nilaw la umaya at sana dikzu option B zok 199 ka. Ani. Moving on to table number 3, we have New Hope English Medium School. Are you ready, boys, for your mathematics question?
Yes, miss.
Okay. A quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 3 and minus 10 respectively is option A, x square minus 3x minus 10. Option B, x square minus 3x plus 10. Option C, x square plus 3x plus 10. Option D, x square plus 3x minus 10. And your time starts now.
A, x square minus 3x minus 10.
Okay, chang rang khut mai chok chang man na mi. Are you confident?
Yes, miss.
Okay. An ban chang rang e ma diklaw kan law. Enang computer please log option A, x square minus 3x minus 10. That is absolutely correct. An tiam the mai hun tiam chung rei law te apo rang tak mai na han chok chuak theya. Okay, zanina ta na kan round nung ber halaw ni tareng mai round 7 optional round ani. Royal Standard School table number 1 at changing kanchan le anga Brenda Chazwali le Valal Pekluite. Are you ready, girls?
Yes, miss.
In zona optional round zona top ber chu hei hi ani. Male hormone is A, estrogen, B, FSH, C, adrenaline, D, testosterone. And your time starts now.
D, testosterone.
Option D, testosterone. Tinan Tsang, are you confident? Do you want to change your answer?
No, miss.
Okay, you're very confident. Okay, then let us find out if that is the correct answer or not. Computer, please log option D, testosterone. That is absolutely correct. Moving on to table number 2, we have Government Zaltlang High School. Remnel Lian and Vanal Pek Luite kan in ringem. Okay. In zona tunong ber chu hei hi ani. How many cranial nerves are present in human being? Option A, 12. Option B, 24. Option C, 26. Option D, 48. And your time starts now.
Option A, 12.
Option A, 12. O chan na pirang khop may confi yang draw. Peklui confi em. Okay, that's good. Option A, 12. Di chu chan na di kani em ilaw enang. Computer, please log option A, 12. Chan na di kani. Zarina. Zona nung ber first round na tana zona nung ber te po anyang su kanin zot vedona Neuhoff English Medium School. Are you ready, boys?
Yes, miss.
The structural and functional unit of nervous system is called option A, nerve, option B, neuron, option C, nephron, option D, spinal cord. And your time starts now.
Miss 50-50.
Okay, you're going to use their 50-50 chance. You are left with option B and option C. Yang le. Inhuna kalzela.
Option B, neuron.
Option B, neuron. Dinan changa. Chana di kani em kan endona ni. Computer, please log option B, neuron. That is the correct answer. With that, we have come to the end of tonight's match. Well done, students. Tunat swanin kanzo to avangin points te kan en thei to dona zani na hian tling pakhatin om dona atang tling lo te inom dona amero chu engdin huna po ding ula pom thiam torin kan han ngen sewa tin best loser te po kha first round kan khelzo ta ka swanin i asia dona ni zani na hian winner chu next round na semi final round na an lut lang dona tunge ani kan la shelawa tuna changa hun rei lo te hianin winner kha kan chi thei dona ni engpo ni sela o kan points te kan scorer 10 an pei to chuanin lo enila zanina kan point score za te kan endona ni Royal Standard School te an point score za di lo enang 35 oh kudin beng ti ang Government Zaltlang High School ti an score lo en vele ang 20. Kuting beng ti ang Neuhoff English Medium School ti an score and bele ang 5. The winner of tonight's match is New Hope English Medium School. H. Zoltan Sanga and Arla Ratkima, congratulations and wish you all the best for the next move.
Thank you, Miss.
Chatte win lawin po at sa ula, semi-final round in luta ditswanin, zanina, he round paltlang velo, te, good luck may Hall of Win participation prize kan handona, Real Standard School, le government Saltlang High School te, participation prize lan turin, lautswak sila, o nula Agnes Lalmuan Pui Executive Committee Member, MZP General Headquarters kan so mga Royal Standard School te kalawkal sila heta center ahyan, klati kalak paturan di insibayin ditswanin, man mo mi alaw tur Royal Standard School le Miss Agnes kan lo me tiswanin Government Saltlang High School te ron step out vele sila participation prize lan turin tlang vala zathanga Executive Committee Member MZP General Headquarters kan so me thati khalak tur ni insibayin tikhan man mo mi alo tur You may go back to your table. Zanina kan quiz mo nom tak kan entay na turata na helai mo na participants runding swakte in fact kan ti in kaleze na tura abikin HSLC exam in matson na tura po chetaka in basay turin do sak na kan han se ditwanin quiz sa tunchuma tun bi ka chuanin kan first round chu kan lo zauta ditchuanin nakzana hianin semi final round khel ani dona chuta khel tur te chu kan puang nga lange first match Dariat le dar kwa ingkara hian Kids Care School, St. Joseph Higher Secondary School le New Hope English Medium School te anin tumdona ditchuanin second match dar kwa changa dar somin kara hian Tani Tots Higher Secondary School, St. Paul's Higher Secondary School le best loser changa ni dona best loser hi CLS Academy le Helen Lowry High Secondary School te hian points som rukvevi an score ra anin taya wangin naktuka hianin dar som pakhata somha som pakhata MZP office tai jo nei turani engtiangin nge hun man turti khachu munin thlen huna khanin an lo shati mai don chewani nichuanin semi final match khel tur zong zong te kan lom pui chewa du sakna kan hlan chewa chataka semi final match khel turin lawin base turin kan som chew ani Aizawl Smart City Limited MZP Inter High School quiz sang hi som hi pathuma kan main sponsor hi Aizawl Smart City Limited ani tichuanin kan co-sponsors te kan share chuak velenge Kuris Collection ani hianin prize money and tumdona foklena an omani Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram PMJVK Mizoram State Sports Council ST Mart Ramhnun North Manna Motors Bongkon Zomi Agencies Bongkon Directorate of Fisheries Government of Mizoram Disaster Management and Rehabilitation Department Government of Mizoram le Kuki Jar Chan Mari te ani min sponsor tu te zong song chunga thinlung takin lom thu kan soi ani tin he quiz min lo hut sak tu in lama changa min lo thir tu te tin helai muna Ignite Studio ron kalchin zong song te in chunga lom thu kan soya he inti siak na hianin school som pathum antela Aizawl khachunga changin school som panhile Aizawl khapon kolasi pachangin school khat anron tela school rontel zong song te school management ina RMT pui na rontel zong song te kan lom ma inti cha kan ti akum danga pu kan hwai hot le ani chuan no tel le zel tur pang kan som halani in ma moi ta karon din theina turata na ka thop pui te hi an chunga lom thu ka soya ka lom wangin tungi an ni ti kan soi vele shimchima ka sammoi tak maya min color sak tu hi Miss Party Equations Academy nei tunu ani this one ka hair and makeup minti sak tu hi makeup by Rod Fela ani hi IGA makeup by Rod Fela ti khana oma lan moi vein lo do chuanin in hun puya te in lo pan ve chin donya this one ka kormoi tak mai min tum sak tu hi Jen sang te ni Upper Republica dora neya ani hi kor ready made na tak zwaring ani nei renga in love and ve chin donya tin kapuan min tum sak tu hi Home of Mizo puan ani LPS Market dora neya tin kakutin moi ta kamin minche sak tu hi Abine Studio ani hianin PL Plaza Zarkota dora nei boka in lo pan ve chin donya zanina kan hun man the จ้องขาอันนี้จันอินาหุ่นมินลงพันปุยตูเฮลัยหุ่นรอนกะจงส่งเตเลอินลามาจังมินลงช่วยอมตูเตอินสวายจงลมทูกันสุยนักจานาโปกันหุ่นฮิมิลงพันปุยเลงี้ตัวริงกันซ้อมเสียวันนี้ควิสมาสเตอร์เสียสังเตกันนี้Ignite Studio จังอินสวายอินมังชามุตุยเวกอุเล